That's the feeling of a dream come true. Oh my God. One more thing. Not bad at all. Recently, our things are glitching. For example, this espresso machine. I turn it on, the water reservoir has issue. I googled everything, then I finally fixed it. Then my Wi-Fi is gone because I accidentally plugged this machine with my Wi-Fi, and this is a very old building, so they cannot really carry that much. Then I just reset the extension cords button and it fixed. And lots of things like that. They are not savable. They're not destroyed. I just need to spend a little bit of time to tweak them. Honest question. What do you think about this machine?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about the way it works or the way it's supposed to work, but it's beautiful.
Okay, I feel this is a still tiny area for me to do all my coffee things, but I'll figure it out. Let me turn on the lights. It's too dark here. This week, I'm dealing with my car thing. My windshield is broken. I need to do out-of-province car inspection. I need to change my license, change a plate. It's just a lot. And I'm dealing with all those electronic minor issues and worry about everything. I just love to worry about things. I'm very tired. At this moment, I always remind myself to be grateful for those little things I have in life. But you know what's even more helpful? It's not drinking coffee and go to sleep.
Yeah, no kidding.
No kidding. Now it's like 5 p.m. We're drinking coffee. I'm gonna make Zena the best flat white. I got this from Rogue Wave. I love this color. And it's just a big one. 10-ounce red. And I love these two colors together. See? It's very beautiful.
Yeah, they are very British. You have to turn it off. It doesn't automatically.
How come it's 100? Because the glass is too tall. So I'm just gonna iron it. To the 32 seconds, 47 out. Oh my God. Woohoo! Too much milk. Ah! Ah!
Ooh.
Steamed it too much milk. Whatever.
What do you mean, whatever? It's perfect.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
The espresso doesn't really have much flavor. Somehow I need to dive in.
Yeah.
Wow, we should stop drinking coffee because tomorrow morning we need to get kicked out by 8 because they're gonna power washing our underground parking. All the cars has to leave. So we are going to have our 3 days hanging out outside, not coming home because we cannot find a place for parking.
Yeah, we're gonna have to find things to do all day long.
Great! Life is awesome!
Oh no, we need water.
Oh no.
They're thirsty.
I'm so thirsty. See? Our flower is blooming. So beautiful. With the espresso machine.
Cute.
So cute. You like this machine?
Yeah, I love it.
I love it. I miss having an espresso machine at home actually. Dream come true.
Gorgeous.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, that's cute.
I can afford this.
Hmm.
Yet. One day I will.